So within this video, we're going to give you a step-by-step understanding of how to give Bipper Media management access to your Google My Business profile. So first things first, you're going to want to have on hand the email associated with building your listing. So once you're logged into said email, you can click these dots and hit this little blue house to direct you to your profile. If you only have one profile, you'll open up to this screen. If you have multiple, it'll show you them in a list and you'll select them one by one to give us access. So once you select either your first one or your only one and you're on this page, you'll head over to these three little dots and hit Business Profile Settings. Once you get to this page, you're going to want to hit People and Access and Add. You will then type in our company code that we'll provide you with, and you'll select the dropdown. You have to hit the dropdown or else it won't work. Occasionally it can be finicky, so you may have to type it in character by character. But once that dropdown appears and you select it, it should look like this. Next, you'll pick the access level. We only typically recommend manager access. And then once you do that, you'll hit add and it'll send us a management invitation. We'll select that invitation, and from there, we'll be able to manage your Google My Business.